Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I just wanted to bring you guys a very chill video. I didn't want to film with all my lights. I just wanted to film with natural sunlight, and it's actually like I'm just getting the tail end of it because I started making bolognese and that was taking me a hot minute, so I got distracted. But anyways, we're here. Today I'm going to show you guys some new products from Urban Decay. This video is not sponsored, you guys. I'm just showing you guys what's new. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts by clicking the bell by my name. I hope that you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. Okay, so as I said, this video is not sponsored. Urban Decay actually did reach out and see if I want to try a few of their new products, which I was super excited because they're the first like high-end brand that I would say that has reached out to me, like a brand that sold at Sephora. One that I can think of. I know there's been skincare, but this is particularly makeup high-end that I've known of, so I'm really excited. I did get this package a couple weeks ago, but I thought I'd just share with you guys since the Sephora sale is going on and they do sell Urban Decay products. Oh, hold on, let me put earrings on. Alright, so anyways, let's get into the products. So they sent 4 products. It's gonna be a quick video. I just thought I'd slide this in there. So we all kind of had the anticipation thinking it was gonna be like festival season and all this stuff, like Coachella happened and like a lot of people couldn't go. I'm not personally like a big festival goer. I've been to CMA Fest, I've been to Music City Midtown, I think it was called, like in Atlanta. Like I've been to them. I love music. I don't love huge crowds like that, so I don't typically do that kind of stuff. They didn't ask me to like say anything specific about them or to do this video. I just wanted to do it because I figured it's a really big brand. You guys probably shop and buy their products. So I really love Urban Decay too. There's a lot of really good products that I've been using from them for a long time. This is like a sparkle experience, so a lot of their products are geared towards like all of the sparkle, and this will help you create the look that you want for the festival. So first things first, I'm going to talk about, if you guys can tell on my screen right now, the Moondust Glitter Liquid. Y'all, this stuff is no joke. So I put this all over my body. I don't know if you can tell. It's on my arms, it's on my chest, all that. I was a little bit concerned at first whenever I saw the color of this because I was like, oh gosh, it's really silvery and I'm more of like a gold, like maybe sometimes rose gold sort of a person. So I was a little bit worried about this, but honestly, whenever I sheared it out, it's just like a really nice body glitter. So it's really nice, especially when you want to go to a festival or a concert or something like that, or if you just want to sparkle. It's a really good product. I would say this is definitely geared towards like body makeup and not like skincare or anything like that. So, but it's really cool. They have a few different colors. I got Moonspoon, but I really like the Barely Naked and the Midnight Blast. Those are really pretty too. So I really like that. It's a full body glow with duochrome glitter and pearlescent pigment. So I'm liking it. I'm digging it. So the next thing I want to talk about, which is probably my favorite in this whole entire package, it definitely is my favorite in this whole package. I'm gonna actually put on some Cocoa Kind One for All Balm because my hands be dry, you know. The next product that I am gonna share with you guys is the Moondust Eyeshadow. I'm just looking at this to make sure I get all the names right because I'm really bad with remembering exact names. But I've used this, I've purchased it before. I love the Moondust shadows. This one is called Lithium, and I have it on my lids right now. It's so pretty. I like it so much. It has kind of like this cool like MAC blue brown pigment feel. It's really pretty. Like I have it on my eyes. I don't know if you can really see it that much, but it's really pretty. I like it with like a cool smoky eye, like what I did today. I used Pixie eyeshadows. I used just matte with Pixie, and then I used this right here to top it off with, and it's so pretty. I absolutely love this color. It reminds me of, like I said, the MAC blue brown, or the MAC Cosmetics blue brown pigment, which I've loved for so long. I don't really use MAC as much anymore. I don't wear as much eyeshadow, but this is really nice if you just want to throw like a cool warm shadow in the crease. You could probably use like a more of a neutral warm one too to make it work, but I wanted to do more of a cool look today. It's such a pretty color. I freaking love it, and it's really wearable too. Even though this is like geared towards festival, I feel like it's so wearable because I have a really wearable look on right now. I mean, you don't see me like looking like I'm about to go to Coachella, but I'm still wearing that shadow, so it's really pretty. And then the next thing I'm going to talk about is eyeliner, which I don't really wear eyeliner that much, but I'm glad that they included this because it's always nice to have a good black eyeliner on hand if you want to do like a smoky eye and smudge it out a little bit, which is what I did today. That's kind of what I did. Sorry, this is not a very pretty close-up. I'm just trying to get this sunlight because I wanted to do natural light today, so trying to get that sunlight. But that's what I did. I just put it on my lash line and then I just kind of smudged it out with my finger a little bit, and it's really pretty. It just kind of makes the look a little bit more dramatic and kind of brings it in. So it says it's their award-winning waterproof eye pencil and everyone's raving about it. So I've had a couple people reach out to me, like some of my mom's friends, asking about a good eyeliner that's not liquid because they don't like liquid. And I told them the Marc Jacobs one, but now I'm thinking the Urban Decay because it's really, really, it's easy to smudge. It's really like creamy and it's really easy to blend. So highly recommend that one if you're looking for a new black liner, and you can use this for a wearable look too. I'd say the only two things that aren't super wearable would be like the Moondust liquid face and body luminizer, which that's cool, you can put it on your face too, but that's also kind of geared towards like the festival summertime. Like you do a little bit more crazy risk-taking sort of looks like in the summer, I think, at least, and you're wearing less clothes. So if you ever want to like highlight certain areas, like I feel like it's really pretty. I know I didn't smudge it out. Work with the product fast, the body luminizer. Sorry, I'm going back to that product. Work with it fast because it does dry pretty fast, but I didn't know how I'd like this color and I thought it looked really good. So try it out. It's summertime. It's about to be summertime. I was just saying in my Sephora video that it's good to kind of get body products like whenever we're in the summertime and it's getting warmer out. It's going to be wearing less clothes, so you want to kind of highlight on those areas you really like if you have really good calves or really great shoulders or whatever, you know what I mean, your collarbone. So the last product I'm going to talk about today is going to be the Moondust Lip Eclipse. So this right here, I didn't know how I'd like it. I ended up really liking it as a lip topper. It's a sheer color and instant translucent sparkle in a single swipe. So I got the shade Rising. They come in 4 shades, it looks like. There might be more, they might not just be on here, but this one's a metallic red with gold shimmer. Y'all know I'm more of a gloss gal, but I thought this was kind of a fun product to add as a lip topper. I didn't want to put it on just bare by itself, so I decided to put a lipstick underneath, and the one that I thought matched it best was this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade JK Magic, which if you're interested, the Sephora sale is still going, so check it out. But I thought it went with that one pretty well. So yeah, Charlotte Tilbury, and this is what the lipstick looks like. It's so pretty. I love it. But yeah, that's what I have on right now. I have the Charlotte Tilbury, and then I have this one over it. I'm just gonna kind of put a little bit more. It's very subtle, like it's a lot more subtle than you think it'd be. So yeah, it just gives kind of like a nice sheen, a little sparkle on the lips, and it's pretty. That's not my like go-to look every day, but it's nice to kind of mix it up a little bit. And those are the 4 products that they shared with me. So if you're interested, I definitely check it out. Now's the best time because of the sale. So I'm pretty sure all this stuff is on Sephora's website or app right now. I didn't double check. I should have done that before, but I'm pretty sure it's all on there. Yeah, I'd say my favorite product I already said, but I'll mention again, my favorite product out of the collection is going to be the eyeshadow. It's just so pretty. It's so wearable. This is something I could use all the time. It's just so pretty. I love glittery eyeshadows. That's like the main thing. Like I normally just like glittery eyeshadows. I don't do a lot of glitter on my lips. I don't do a lot of glitter really anywhere. I mean, I do highlighter, but that's more of like a sheen, I guess. But anyways, the eyeshadow is my favorite. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. That is all I have for you today. So if you have a friend that like loves music festivals and you have like that group of people that you know that would love this sort of thing to wear for a makeup, for a music festival makeup look, send them this video, show them the new products from Urban Decay, and tell them all about it. So I think they definitely would love this because you could put this all over and you would be festival ready. 100%. Thanks again for watching, and if you guys have any other ideas for me, like as far as Sephora videos, since the sale is still going on, please let me know because I'd love to make a video for you guys. Just let me know what you'd want to see. Also on Instagram, I did mention I was going to be doing a declutter video. Or I'm going to be doing a declutter. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it the same like I normally do. I think the best way for me to do it this time would be for me to go through and declutter on my own and then show you guys after the fact what I'm getting rid of. Just because a lot of the time I feel like I'm so indecisive in the middle of the process and it draws out the video, makes it so long because I have so much I want to go through. But I told myself yesterday, I was like, I'm gonna make this Sephora order, and I have to make a promise to myself when I make this order. I've got to go through my makeup, get rid of all the stuff that I'm not using, and give it away to somebody who would use it and really appreciate it, or just throw it away if it's past the expiration date or whatever. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that. Maybe there's a different style I could do that you guys might be interested in. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and you guys have a great rest of your day.